Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe was born out of my love for granola. Those close to me know that there's this fruit shop I always spend a lot of money buying parfait. So when I decided to start making my own parfait, I went shopping for my own granola myself. But actually, all the products that I could lay my hands on were extremely high in added sugars and unhealthy additives. So guys, I present to you my granola recipe. Granola is a healthy food option. However, it is not low in calories, so you have to eat it in moderation. But regardless of this fact, granola is made with old-fashioned oats, and you know that old-fashioned oats, it's 100% high in fiber. There's nothing taken out of it, and because of this fact, it improves blood pressure, reduces low density lipoprotein, which is actually the bad cholesterol, so it is good and heart friendly. Granola also provides protein, antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, copper, selenium, vitamin B, and raisins. Eat yourself, cause dried cranberries, sunflower kernels, flaxseeds, coconut chips, and some spices, cinnamon, vanilla extract, 100% honey, no added sugar, coconut oil. So let's get started, guys. Please check the description box for the exact measurements of all the ingredients I used. Of almonds and cashew nuts, you can actually use hazelnuts or pecans, but I actually don't like them, so I prefer to use almonds and cashew nuts. So guys, let's prepare our wet ingredients. So in a bowl, we're going to be adding our honey, our coconut oil, and vanilla extracts, and we're going to be giving it a good stir. Some people actually heat their honey and coconut oil and then combine it with the dry ingredients, but I really don't see any need to, because it's all going to be in the oven baking. So this is my own method, guys. So once you have done this, give it a good stir. Remember, if you want the exact measurements for everything I used, just check the description box. And yes, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, guys, my name is Avon and this is Avon and Lifestyle. Please like and comment, drop a comment if you want me to, clarify any questions you have, or make other videos or request videos that you want me to do. I'll be sure to answer all of them. And yes, hit the like button and subscribe. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and give it a thorough mix. Mix it up completely. Ensure everything is well settled in together. And yes, for the spices, you can decide to add ginger powder in addition to the cinnamon powder. You can also add nutmeg, but I prefer to just use cinnamon powder because this just does it for me. But the spices really just gives it this wonderful aroma when you're baking. Yeah, and it makes it taste so good, like really baked product. So we're going to be baking for a total of 20 minutes and for at 150 degrees. So we're going to be baking for the first 7 minutes, and after which we give it a stir and put it back in the oven, and then we bake for another 10 minutes and we bring it out and give it a very good stir, just so that it all bakes evenly and some parts of it don't get burnt. So then we're going to, after the 10 minutes, we're going to put it back in the oven and bake it for another 3 minutes. This is the last lap, guys, but this is actually the point where you put in your coconut flakes. So if you put in your coconut flakes and put the granola back in the oven, it's going to get burnt and it's going to be black and bitter and you're going to hate your granola, guys. So don't do this. Put your coconut flakes only when the last 3 minutes has elapsed. Yes, it still hurts, and it's going to, the heat in it is going to be sufficient to work in the coconut flakes in the granola. So that's just it, guys. So after adding your coconut flakes and everything is well mixed in and crunchy, the next step is to allow the granola cool down in the pan if you want. And when it has cooled down, it's time to add our cranberries and raisins, and just make sure you mix it well. And yeah, the measurements for the cranberries and raisins is down in the description box. Guys, our granola is ready, all crunchy and beautiful looking, guys. Take a look at this. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you eat your granola. Do you take it with do you take it in parfait? Do you eat it with ice cream or as a cereal with milk? So guys, if you want me to share with you how I make my parfait, please let me know in the comment section and I'll do just that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a like for this video, and if this is your first time, please do subscribe. Thank you, guys.